national issues. And Madam Speaker, it cannot be allowed that it goes on the record of this House, the assertions by Senator Cherargei, that the clashes in Sondu are instigated by Nyanza leaders who are circulating leaflets. Can he, under the standing orders, substantiate or otherwise apologize and withdraw? And Madam Speaker, as you have directed, and it is unprecedented for the chair to demand for evidence from a member when a member is debating, because the chair is a referee. Madam Speaker, you must also use the same yardstick and the same rule you have used to declare that Senator Cherargei must bring evidence to that assertion if he fails to withdraw and apologize. Because, Madam Speaker, I come from Homa Bay that borders Sondu. I come from Homa Bay that borders Nandi. No leader from Luoland or Nyanza has ever sat down, has ever conspired to get arrows, to get spears, and to do oaths. Oaths are not done in the Luo community, Madam Speaker. Oaths are done in the neighboring community. My community does not use bows and arrows, Madam Speaker. So Senator Cherargei must be compelled to withdraw and apologize, or else he must substantiate whatever is assertion that Nyanza leaders are killing people in Sondu. And Madam Speaker, those are the kind of utterances that should automatically lead to a member being thrown out of this House, because they are utterances that can inflame a nation that is already at pains.
Honorable Senator Kajwang, I have directed that Honorable Manzo to bring evidence to support what he alleged.